In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customer journey automation in Mailchimp step by step so you can welcome new subscribers, guide customers through your funnel, and save time with a setup that works automatically in the background. This is a really useful feature if you want to make your email marketing more organized, more consistent, and a lot less manual. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign into your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. After you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is the area where Mailchimp lets you create and manage automated customer journeys, so this is where we're going to build the workflow. After opening Automations, look for the option to choose a flow template. Click that to browse the available automation templates. Now go to the search bar and type Welcome Series, then press Enter. This will bring up the Welcome Automation flow, which is one of the most useful setups for starting a new customer journey. Once you see Welcome Series in the results, click on it to open the template. After that, click Use this flow. Mailchimp will now load the automation builder so you can customize it for your audience. At this point, you'll see the different triggers and steps inside the journey. Click on each trigger and step one by one and set them up the way you want. For example, you can decide when someone enters the flow, what email they receive first, how long to wait before the next message, and what action should happen next. This is where you can shape the customer journey to match your goals, whether that's welcoming new contacts, sharing a product intro, or following up after someone subscribes. Take your time here and review each section carefully so the automation works exactly the way you want it to. Once everything is set up, Mailchimp may ask you to upgrade your plan in order to use this automation. If that happens, you'll need to upgrade your plan before you can run the customer journey live. After upgrading, you can activate the flow and start using it for your audience. And that's it. You've now created a customer journey automation in Mailchimp using the Welcome Series template. This is a great way to make your email marketing more efficient and more professional without having to send every message manually. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.